if your Roblox ping is really high and the game feels super laggy, I'm going to show you a quick setting you can change on your Windows PC that can noticeably reduce your ping in Roblox. Surprisingly, it also improved my overall internet performance. So, stay with me because this only takes about 2 minutes. First, click the Wi-Fi icon in the bottom right corner of your taskbar. Then select the arrow next to your Wi-Fi network and open your connection settings. After that, click on the network you're currently using to open its properties page. Scroll down until you find the DNS server assignment section. By default, it will be set to automatic. Click Edit and a small window will appear. Change the drop-down menu from automatic to manual. Now enter these two addresses. Preferred DNS 8.8.8.8. Alternate DNS 8.8.4.4. Click Save, and you're done. When you go back into Roblox and check your ping by pressing Shift plus F3, you should notice a lower ping and a smoother overall connection. It's one of those simple tweaks that takes only a couple of minutes, yet most people never try it. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.